How to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. So the first step is to simply go to Bybit and then simply hover your mouse over buy crypto. Then simply click on one click buy, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply choose USD. So you're gonna have to click on the currency and then scroll down and choose USD, and then make sure that you use USDT. Now simply enter the amount of money and then click on payment methods. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on USD balance. So you're gonna have to have some money in your USD balance. I already made a tutorial about this, so if you want you can check that out on my channel. So after you deposit money, you're gonna see here the amount of money that you have, and then you can simply enter here how much would you like to convert, and then simply click on buy, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.